see, Jason was my son, and today is his birthday.
It's got a death curse.
You let him drown. You never paid any attention. Look what you did to him.
Kill her, Mommy. Kill her. Don't let her get away, Mommy. Don't let her live.
I won't, Jason. I won't.
Don't.
Did you know that a young boy drowned the year before those two others were killed? The counselors weren't paying any attention. They were making love while that young boy drowned. Come, dear. It will be easier for you than it was for Jason.
Ma'am, we didn't find any boy.
Guess I always wanted to work with children. I hate when people call them kids. Sounds like little ghosts. But when you've had a dream as long as I have, you'll do anything.
Messenger of God, you're doomed if you stay here.
I told you to sit on it, Tonto. Keep it smoking, boy.
Smoking? Don't smoke. It causes cancer.
You know what I mean. Would you just get off a spaceship or something? Colombian gold, man. Grass, hash, the weed. Dig it?
Ma'am, we didn't find any boy.
Then he's still there.
Jason should have been watched every minute. He wasn't a very good swimmer. We can go now, dear.
The boy. Is he dead too?
Well, I'm Mrs. Voorhees, an old friend of the Christies.
We ain't gonna stand for no weirdness out here.